Right, where is my equation? So remember that the set is M18. So now I'm going to say, where's my calculator? I'm going to say 1.5 times M number, which is 18, isn't 18 is equals to, and then it's giving me 27. So that 27, it should be a radius. So I'm going to say 20, it should be a diameter. 27 divided by 2 to get a radius. That's 13.5. So I take my drawing compass, open it to 13.5. This is 12, this is 13.5, between 13 and 14, you understand? Then I draw a circle faint. I draw it faint. Then now, because I want to get my nut, it is supposed to be clearly, I don't want the one that will be across the flat. So I'll draw the auxiliary across the flat, the auxiliary hexagon across the flat. So I'm using the vertical center line. So place it here, further extend to your center, you understand? Place it here, further extend it to your center, then you strike an arc this side, you also strike this side, you strike an arc. So now I'm going to have a dark line from here till here, another one from here till there, understand? Then there you go, and like this will go from here till there we go, from here till there we go. That's my hexagonal auxiliary. So now I'm going to project this point, this direction, this point, this direction, this other one, even this one. So remember, this is the height of our, this is the length of our shaft. It started from here till right there. So now from here going this direction, I must get my nut, and the height of the nut, you remember right from grade 11, the height of the nut, we are going to say 0.8, yeah, 0.8 times M number, which is 18, isn't it? 18 amarcha 18, so it's 14.4, which means it's 14 millimeter. Understand? Oh Jesus. So which is 14, this is 15, this is 14, you understand? So I mark here at 0. So that's going to be the height of my nut. So I have a point here, I have another one here, I have another one here, I have another one here, which is this one, isn't it? So from here till here is this one, from here till here. So I've got a point here, I've got a point there, I've got a point here, I've got a point there. So now I can join this point. Somebody in my comment once said, we don't join points from nowhere. My brother, I am not joining points from nowhere, you understand? So I'll further extend. Once it cross the horizontal center line, I can stop. So even this other side, see that we're at the right track. These two lines, they're actually meeting at our center, you understand? That's how it's supposed to be, you understand? So this other side, do the same thing. So there you go. Once it crosses this horizontal line, I stop. So even this other side, you do the same thing. So corner to corner, there you go, you understand? So now take your drawing compass. So I'm going to place it here to get an arc this side, get an arc this side. Place it here, get an arc this side, get an arc this side. Understand? So now here we go. You understand? So here we go. Let me try to zoom it just a little bit so that you see it clearly. So now I place it here, and draw dark. There you go, dark. Even this other side, even though it won't clear, but remember a nut is supposed to be in both sides, you understand? So now place it here. There you go. A nut supposed to be in both sides. There you go. You understand? So now to close it, I'm going to place it here, where these are actually crossing each other on top of along my horizontal center line. That's where you're supposed to place it. That's where you're supposed to place the drawing compass. You further extend it up until at this point. You understand? So which is this one. So now I can draw. You understand? So this other side, I'm going to place it right there, further extend till there. Do the same thing. You understand? So now I can come and have this one solid and have this other one solid. This one solid. Actually, you're supposed to use angle 60. You understand? Then you come, have this one. You understand? So we've threw our nut. So we are going to expose the thread. So the thread is 0.1, if I'm not mistaken, 0.1 times the m number, which is 18, which is 18, right? So which is 1.8, which means it's going to be 2 millimeter. So from where my length of my shaft, the 108 millimeter ends, so I'm gonna go back with 2 millimeter. This is 0, 1, 2. You understand? So there is my 2 millimeter ending, isn't it? So I just construct a line that's going to be like this, and this is my shaft. It will be from here till here. It's going to be inside the nut, isn't it? Then just come here a little bit, and this other side from here till here inside, but from here we are going to sit clearly. You understand? So now there you go. Then we use angle 45 this other side. No, I'm lying, it's not 45. Angle 30. There you go. And there we go. Then you get it. Then you're going to go back till here, go back till here. You understand? So let me see the length of our thread. So the set from here going back, that's the length of our thread, is 25 millimeter. So this is going to be from here till right here. That's going to be my 25 millimeter. So I can even have it dark. That's my 25 millimeter ends. Then they will be exposed here, you understand? But there is a missing dimension, because I'm not convinced this distance from here to there has to be the same with this one. Alright, then we use angle 60 now. So like this, we are now done, ladies and gentlemen. Item, we are done. Then we have to section. Item 1 is this one. This is item 1. This is item 1, isn't it? Item 1. Then item 2. This is item 2. You understand? So item 3, which is the what? Which is the bush. item 3. Where is my item 3? So we ended up just assuming we have to draw it. How? We said item 3 is going to be fitted in item 2, isn't it? So the outside diameter of item 3 is what? Is 24. So I'm going to say 24 divided by 2. So it's actually inside there. So 24 divided by 2, we are getting how much? 12. So just come here. This is 10, 11, 12. So I mark here, and 24 I mark right here. You understand? So the moment I'm just getting this line dark from here to right there, and from here to right there, I assume my item 3 fitted there already. You understand? So there is our item 3. So item 4, which is the washer, is that one. Item 5, which is the shaft or the bolt, is that one. So item 6, which is the last one, the nut, is that one. So then we have to section. So now you see the cutting plane of XX. Let's see clearly, because actually we were supposed to draw the item 1, the right view of item 1, so that to get that point. Understand? We are not given any dimension, but we know Uguti is actually lying at that vertical center. But now let's see, Uguti, is it corresponding with this one? You understand? How are we going to see that? So it's not. It will be just a little bit, because once you get it like this, that's where your hatches, they will start. You understand? So just up, just a little bit up, that's where your hatches, they will start. So the upper part of your item 1, it's going to remain as an outside front view, because this part, it was before the cutting plane. You understand? So I will assume it's in the middle of this point and this one. Understand? Actually, you don't have to assume. You have to. We're supposed to draw the what? The right view of item 1, so that we get to that point. So from this point going down, everything's supposed to be in section. Okay? You understand? So now let me section. So decide to use this one, angle. There you go. This is item 1. I'm sectioning item 1. So it's coming there, it's coming here. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. You understand? It's already coming that side. Is it coming? It's coming here. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. So I can label like this and say diameter 8, diameter 8. This is item 1. So that's how we have to do it. You understand? So now I'm going to item what? Item 2. Where? Item 2, where are you? Item 2 is this one. Item 2. So which means the hatches of item 1, they were in a what? In a clockwise direction. So the hatches of item 2, they must differ, and they must be a little bit smaller than the one of item 1. There you go. 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 Here it goes. There you go. This is item 2. Remember, up there is still item 2. Item 2. That's our item 2. So then label item 2. You can decide to label it this other side. I mark you understand, diameter 8. There, this is item 2. Then item 3, which is the push, which is the push, which is this one. Call it spaced. So now label it. You can decide to label this other side. This is my item 3. This item 3. There one. Then item 4. Item 4 is this, the washer. Remember that item 3 they were anti-clockwise, so item 4 they must be, they were in a clockwise direction. Item 4 anti-clockwise. So, and it's very small, so the hatches they must be small as well. So I can decide to label it this side. So this is item what? Item 4. Item 4. Right. Then item 5, which is the what? Which is the shaft. Item. Item 5. Item 6, the last one. Item 6, the last one. Item 6. So that was it. So remember, you have been done. So you have to print this. You understand? So you can print this one right here. Print this the item, the part list right here, and the name of the drawing, and the what to call the scale, which is 1:1. So after that one you are done. So thank you very much guys for watching. That was Mr. Ngosi. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video you are watching. Subscribe for more videos to be uploaded. So that was a assembled drawing. So see you on the next video. My brother, sorry for the later reply. I'm having so many questions across the world, not even here in my country, or across the world. So thank you very much guys with your support. Again, please keep on supporting the channel, you understand, by subscribing. So see you on the next video. Okay, bye. Okay.